Alright guys, we're going to be doing a video it's called Beat the Monster. It's a really cool idea because the gumball rolls down and these monsters push out. And if you get it all the way down, you get another gumball, and it keeps on going. I just got like 5 gumballs for a quarter. It's pretty awesome. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna explain for mine. Okay, so
we'll see. I'll show you guys what I mean. Oh. But if it would have went down and hit that.
Wait, let me try to explain. Alright, you can get for 1 quarter. Okay.
Yep, you got it.
You wanna grab it for me?
Oh, here.
Alright, I'm grabbing my gum as it comes out.
Oh, nice.
I got another one. That's 2.
Oh.
What was that? It didn't even get.
I don't know.
Okay, but look at that, guys. That's what's cool about the game. Like, you just got 3 gumballs for the price of 1, so that's pretty cool.
Oh. Come on. Yeah.
You win free gum.
Try it again. Oh.
You got 3 too?
Literally, I can't fit any more gum in my mouth. So I don't know. I guess we'll save these. Oh my god, it almost knocked out. Oh yeah.
You win free gum.
Have you played this before?
You win free gum.
Oh my god.
That's a green one. That's really weird.
Yes.
You win free gum.
Yes.
You win free gum.
Yes.
There's not much of it.
Oh.
That's really cool.
Really?
Come on, yo, bad luck.
What? Okay. I'm done. Got a attendant. How many more gums are there?
It's empty.
Really?
There's like none left to turn up there. Look at it.
Oh yeah.
Because they're supposed to be hitting that little thing. There's like none up there.
It just turned off. Did it or no?
Yeah, it's turned off.
Well, we better make sure.
Oh. That's just 8 your quarter.
Oh. Wow. So we broke it. Okay.